Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best protein shake blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja Foodi blender. The best blender for protein shakes we've tested is the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo. This personal blender comes with a pair of 24-ounce jars with resealable spout lids, so you can easily blend a shake and head out the door without pouring it into another bottle. It easily blends ice cubes and stubborn fibrous elements like kale into a virtually perfectly smooth mix. Its smoothie bowl maker jar is unique and can be helpful for preparing ice-heavy drinks or making homemade nut butter for your protein shakes. It's a very versatile but noisy blender. It has blending programs so you can step away from the machine while it runs, but its high noise level can still get annoying. Once you're finished blending, however, it's very easy to clean. Overall, it's a fantastic pick for protein shakes that offers good performance for a range of other uses, and you can occasionally find it on sale for even less than our upper mid-range pick, the Beast Go Cordless. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Beast Go Cordless Premium Portable Blender. If you want to blend a quick shake at the gym or during your lunch break, consider a portable blender like the Beast Go Cordless, our pick for the best protein shake blender at an upper mid-range price point. This sturdy blender comes with a 22-ounce jar that screws onto the motor base, so you can take the whole thing with you and mix up a shake when you need it most. Its lid has a carrying handle, or you can replace it with a straw lid for on-the-go sipping. Although it can't compete with a plug-in blender, like the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo, for ice crushing, you shouldn't have much trouble adding a few cubes to a protein shake. This blender has a very simple design, with just one button to control its functions. Pressing the power button for 2 seconds starts a 30-second blending cycle, while repeatedly pressing and releasing it quickly allows you to pulse ingredients. Like most battery-powered blenders, it has a relatively short battery life, lasting for around a dozen 30-second blending cycles. It's amazingly quiet, which is a huge plus when you want to blend in a public space without disturbing others. At number 3, we have the nutribullet Flip Portable Blender. The nutribullet Flip is another great option for blending on the go. This portable blender comes with a 20-ounce plastic jar or an insulated stainless steel jar, which helps keep your drink cold longer. Even the stainless steel variant is a little lighter than the Beast Go Cordless, making it easy to carry. Plus, it comes with a couple of options for enjoying your shake on the go. The motor base has a built-in drinking spout, or you can replace it with a straw lid if you prefer. It blends fibrous ingredients nearly as smoothly as the Beast, so it'll produce good results if your protein shake recipe includes fruit or leafy greens. Like the Beast, you control this blender with just the power button. Pressing it starts a 30-second blending cycle, and pressing it repeatedly simulates a pulse program. Its battery lasts about 7 minutes, and you're not meant to use it for more than a minute at a time without letting the motor cool down. Additionally, since the blades are attached to the motor base, they can't be immersed in water, which makes cleaning somewhat challenging. At number 2, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. If you want a budget-friendly blender for protein shakes, consider the Ninja Fit. It has fewer features than the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo, making it less versatile, and it's not portable like the nutribullet Flip, so you can't use it to blend a fresh shake mid-run, but it has the essentials. It makes a smooth blend with a variety of recipes, so whether your usual shake is limited to ice, liquid, and powder, or includes additions like fruit and leafy greens, it'll deliver consistent results. This model is easy to clean by hand, and all of its components are dishwasher safe. It doesn't have buttons or blending programs. Instead, you need to push down on the blender to keep it running, which can be annoying. If you want a blender with a more convenient design, The Magic Bullet blender is a cheaper option with better controls. And finally, at number 1, we have the NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200W NBF 50500 Dark Gray. If you want the flexibility to make either a personal smoothie or a bigger batch for you and some friends, the NutriBullet Blender Combo is a convenient choice. This relatively inexpensive blender isn't the most versatile, but if you're shopping for a blender specifically for protein shakes, it offers a good balance between performance and price. Like the beautiful personal blender, it's not designed for crushing ice without liquid in the jar. The personal jars come with resealable lids, allowing you to easily take your drink on the go. Its controls include a blending program for recipes like smoothies and shakes, so you don't have to stop the machine manually. However, it also offers limited speed adjustment. Even the lowest blending speed is quite fast, which doesn't help when blending thicker recipes, such as nut butter. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.